Okay, today is Saturday. I'm going to bring the dipping sauce, send to my family in France. And this is magic cooking sauce, and this is Lao hot gel dipping. Okay guys, I'm gonna send this sauce, surprise my family, let they have it. So this is a cooking sauce right here. Gonna go ahead, fill it up. Yeah, I'm surprised, you know, sent to my mother, my sister, because they love to cook, and I want them to cook and taste, tell me how it's taste, because I'm gonna put in the website sale in a minute, and then I'm gonna cooking in my YouTube, so you guys can have this one too. I'm gonna sell that too, make it easy, very easy. Okay, and this is dipping party sauce. I'm gonna go ahead filter this dipping party sauce right here. I will sell in Thai market at 54 Bangkok if you live in Maryland, Virginia. So I'm over here. So I'm gonna go ahead fill up. Dipping party sauce, guys. This is so good. You can eat with spring roll, egg roll, party wing, fried chicken, you know, anything. This is so good. This is dipping party sauce. And now I'm going to Lao hot gel right here. Ooh, heavy. Lao hot gel, guys. Shake first, because so much. This is very good spice and healthy. You can eat with seafood, king crab, oyster, crab, anything, seafood. Oh my God, this is everything. Just so good. I'm gonna go ahead, filter this one. Oh, I spilled. Yep, this is very good. 32 hours right here. If you guys wanna try, I'm gonna go ahead sell on YouTube my account. Right now we fixing a website, so I'm gonna go ahead. If you taste it, have it, it's very good. You're gonna thank for this sauce right here. I don't have in the market because, you know, what market? This is so complicated. I don't really care about that. I'm just gonna go ahead doing this, share with you guys. You know, I'm gonna start cooking my sauce. Very easy, everything in one. When you got this one right here, when you're cooking steamed fish, stir fry, fried rice, anything, oh my God, you crazy. You don't have nothing to put too much. Just if you want to go fried rice, drunken fried rice, what I do in the cooking and food truck, right? I use this one and that one. That's drunken fried rice right there. And the customer love it. They're coming more and more because they love something a little spicy. This is spice. They love little spice in there. Fried rice, you know, throw the vegetable down, you know, rice, meat, whatever meat you want. So these two ingredients right here, guys, okay? This is Lao, made by Sisou, me. Okay, I have food truck, that's why I do it. When I'm doing this, first I just give it to customer, and then they love it more and more. Hey, why I'm not going to go ahead put in the bottle and sell that? That's what I think. So because they love it. This is dipping party sauce right here. You can go with wing, go with spring roll, summer roll, go with deep fried tofu, and go with everything. You know, it's just everything is so good, and I keep making so much. every week because I keep cooking and they're coming more and more, never get enough. So that's the reason why I have to do this. And I have the back label too. You can read that back label right here too. Okay. Everything have back label. Everything professional. And this salt right here, you need to have in your refrigerator. Every household need to have this salt because you will be thankful because make your food eat so delicious and crazy. I'm gonna show you how to cook with my cooking salt right here too, okay? So when I have time right now, I'm gonna go ahead and send to my family and friends. I'm gonna surprise them what I got because they love to cook and eat just like everything else. I'm gonna go ahead and surprise and send it to them. Right now, look at cooking salt. I'm gonna finish. I'm gonna make some more too. Because crazy, be eating crazy. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and tie very tight. There's the sun. This is go to Europe. And this is hot gel. Go to Europe too. And this is cooking magic cooking sauce. This go to Europe too. My sister, my mom, I want them to cook with this one and let me know. Okay, I have another egg out right here. I'm gonna go ahead, put the label on and then send to my son. I'm going to see my son. Okay, just put the label on. It's so cute, egg out only. But you know, you need more than egg out. Egg out finish so quick, so I just this is for at home eating. See, right there. Okay, I'm gonna put hot gel in there. Okay, drop it down to the bottle. There we go. There's a top. This is a small top. This is it. It looks so cute. Look at that. So cute. This egg out, guys. Egg out. Look at that. Delicious. Make your food dancing in your mouth when you go to the seafood restaurant or you can eat. That's all you need. You take your hand with you, small one right here, and you can eat all you want. That's so good. Okay, eat all you want. Okay, guys, there you have it. Look at that. Pie dipping, magic cooking sauce, hot gel, hot red sauce, better cilantro. Okay, better than whatever salt out there. This is crazy with cooking recipes to make this hot salt. Okay, right here you can get a small one right here and go to the seafood or you can eat. Bring this one with you, put your pocket and go there. When you order, when you sit down, eat, pull this shit out and then just go ahead dipping and eat all you want to eat. This is the lamprey wine. Oh my God, it make your day. You need this salt. Anybody else need this salt, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and send to my family. This is for my son. He don't need too much, but he lives so close to me. He can get any time some more when he needs that, so I give him small one. Alright, let's get into the bag. Get into the bag. Let's just go to France. That one, it's a small bag, let's take it to Odai. Yeah. Then let me have a good day after you have this. Guys, you gotta have this salt, okay?